Alrighty guys, this is the diesel electrical classes, first, second, third quarter. They did electrical work and they took these old analog systems and hooked it up with some digital relays and a few other things to understand electronics. Part of their final project grade is to put these together and to end it with an explosion and blow that airbag and send that cone skyward. So,
all right, so it's a nice icy morning on the road. Get in your truck and start it up, and you start driving down the road. Got your lights on. Make sure that you're driving down the road and lock the doors. And you're just cruising down the road. And all of a sudden, this car decides to cut you off on the nice icy morning, and kind of pissed you off. So you give them a good old horn because you're pissed off. Well, they slam on their brakes. So of course, then you got to slam on yours because they're in your way. But it doesn't matter because the roads are icy and you're loaded. If you're sliding down the road, it's too late. So of course, it hits.
They're in the middle of a blizzard. We got our defrosters on. Got our wiper motors going. Then our defroster went out. You can't see where we're going. Then the cops, well, you can't really see. The cops trying to pull us over. We can't see what we're doing. We hit a guardrail.